I have been extremely confused all my life. मेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि मुझे करना क्या है. As a nation, we have not given anything to the world in the past 400 years. We haven't given, you may call it the government because they stand for infrastructure. They haven't supported us the way Gujaratis have been supported in Gujarat. Everybody puts it on paper really well, but when they go out, they shit.
impact they are creating. थोड़ा बहुत brief growth journey अभी तक क्या रही है, projections क्या हैं, not on a very on any real level.
Then some 16-year-old boy in US won Fortnite का global championship and he won $3 million. We have the youngest population in terms of consumption, in terms of workforce, both. See, innovation is not always about product.
That's a beautiful thing where our state stands today, sir, that we have to learn and grow. Hello and welcome to Rajasthan Startup Stories, where we go beyond the headlines, beyond the jargons, into the mind of bold thinkers who are shaping India's future. Right here from the land of legacy and innovation, Rajasthan. Today we have for all of us two very interesting people who have built something of their own with their own perspective. And this is what really matters to the ecosystem. That's why we have on the table Mr. Swapnil Dangayach, who has been a family businessman and now a very, very well celebrated investor into the ecosystem at Jaipur. And we have Mr. Manu Sharma, who thoughtfully and very, very patiently has built up something which we are all very glad, and it is called Gladful. So I would request both of you to just have a short made you come to this table, as in स्वप्निल जी, आपने खुद की अपनी एक सोच है लाइफ के बारे में, आपने खुद ने एक फैमिली बिजनेस देखा है एंड इन्वेस्टर बनने की क्या ठानी, क्या सूझी. वी आर रिलेटेड, द इकोसिस्टम इज, बट आपका परसेप्शन इसके बारे में.
So I think 2015 और 2016 around एक चीज स्किप करी थी that apart from mutual funds, direct equity, PMS, I wanted to do something different, and then I think with the help of couple of platforms like Let's Venture and AngelList, I learned about startup ecosystem, angel investing, and probably I think that was the time pre demonetization. I started my first investment, and so I wanted to learn also from the startup ecosystem, from the founders, what they are doing, new ideas, and what kind of impact they are creating. So I think for that, large cap companies won't be suitable. So I started my journey then and there with to know much more about startups. Yeah.
So, friends, this is how this journey goes forward. Passion is what carries you forward, not just to be a founder, but also to be an investor, as we just heard Swapnilji talking about it. Passion to know more and delve into the venture building process or the sectors is something जो हम रोज बात करते हैं. But this is a very, very interesting situation with Manu ji, where he has tried, I think, I would say, a lot of sectors and have learned a lot across it. Sir, what gets you here to Gladful?
Uh, I think it's there's a personal answer to it and a global answer to it. The personal would be, if my grandfather was solving for means of living, my father was solving for standard of living, and I think I am solving for quality of living. So I think as a nation, we have not given anything to the world in the past 400 years. We haven't given any motor, we haven't given any invention, steel production, steam engine, computers, nothing. Because after in repeated colonizations, we have been a service nation. So I think building is very important for us, given that the demographic dividend we have now, we will not have after 20-25 years from now. We have the youngest population in terms of consumption, in terms of workforce, both. So this is the time to try. And if you are lucky, I mean your family wealth is sorted, you have a place to live, you have food and everything on the table, then you should try and build something. I have been extremely confused all my life. मेरे को ये नहीं पता था कि मुझे करना क्या है. For that matter, आज भी मुझे ये लगता है. That is why I never chose to do thing. I was chose what I thought was attractive. I did it for some time. I got some success, but then I realized it's not for me in the long run. And that so I go by the deduction theory. I was in re-commerce sector. जब 2013 की बात है ये. I joined via my sister's connection. I joined Pratik Goyal, who is a celebrated founder in Jaipur as well. So हम refurbishing और उसमें घुसे, e-commerce और e-waste के rules समझे. I worked there for good 4-5 years. I did my CA with that. Then some 16-year-old boy in US won Fortnite का global championship and he won $3 million. So I लॉक कि यार ऐसा क्या है कि एक लड़का $3 million एक गेम खेल के जीत गया. That's how I was fascinated toward the gaming industry. I did not know any coding or nothing about games, but I tried to make some gaming formulas कि हम इंडिया में इसको कैसे replicate कर सकते हैं. Quick money games कैसे बना सकते हैं. I wrote to 100 founders in the gaming sector. Nobody gave any 5-minute even interview. Pavel Nanda was benevolent enough. उसने बोला ठीक है ये थोड़ा पागल सा लड़का लग रहा है, सीए किया हुआ है इसने, बड़ी गेमिंग में कुछ करना चाहता है, इसको बुलाते हैं ऑफिस. I went there to pitch the product and उसने I had a 5-hour conversation with him. And by the time I reached the metro station, मेरे पास offer letter आ गया था वहाँ से कि join us. That's how I joined Winzo Games. I worked there for good 2-3 years. COVID hit. And I was living with my sister in Gurgaon. She was in Cadbury for the past 15 years. She was also toiling with an idea कि यार मेरे को हो गया Cadbury, मैं want to do something for my children, ये वो बहुत ही खराब खाना है and all that. Because I had been into multiple startups, a part of societies and startups, so I knew that how to work in no structure. So I thought, okay, because I don't think gaming में मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा future होगा apart from partnerships and all. Let me take a leap with you. And I also associated with her on many levels because I had faced some issues back then. That's how Gladful started. It was her brainchild, but the purpose actually collated. So I think if you're given an opportunity to take a risk and build something, you should do it. That's how Gladful happened.
Oh, so it's like perseverance, passion, and commitment coming together for something which you call structure or you call a startup nowadays.
Yeah.
Let's begin our discussion with something which is the first word that brings all of us here is Rajasthan. So Rajasthan का अपनी एक बहुत ही special position है, not only in the country but across the globe. We are known for a lot of it and we are not known for some of it. So I would want to know your perception about Rajasthan and the startup ecosystem here and the venture building processes that you have felt special about this place.
So I think Kambagani everyone, to all the viewers, Shweta ma'am, Manu sir. I think Rajasthan has been very rich in culture, but not industrialization, first of all. Secondly, I feel startup in the context of discussion, startups, I think startups ecosystem is very, very raw in Rajasthan as of now. So I think a lot of effort and I would say there is a lot to do for Rajasthan startup ecosystem. And हवाबाजी बहुत है यहाँ पे कि थोड़ा बहुत कि आप बिना इन्वेस्टर से मिले, बिना वीसी फंड से मिले, आप सारी चीज़ें कर लेंगे. आपको कहीं ना कहीं एक अच्छे मेंटोर की, एक अच्छे एक्सेलरेटर की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. ये सब एक स्टार्टअप बहुत अर्ली स्टेज पे नहीं सोच पाता है. तो राजस्थान में आई थिंक विद द हेल्प ऑफ फ्यू एक्सेलरेटर्स एंड इंक्यूबेटर्स आप अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, रीच आउट कर सकते हैं, लर्न कर सकते हैं. इट इज़ नॉट नेसेसरी टू एंगेज विद देम, associate with them, but learn and go. That's it from my side.
That's a beautiful saying where our state stands today, sir, that we have to learn and grow. जी हाँ, right from politics to communications to technology to social building and into learning for ourselves, we are learning. Manoj, let me ask you, having been traveled across the country for various professional purposes, and then starting your company here at Rajasthan, आप कैसा महसूस करते हैं हमारे यहाँ के बारे में और your plus and minus to Rajasthan?
I think I'll second to what sir said. Rajasthani infrastructure and Rajasthani culture are two different things right now. I have seen Rajasthani people blossoming in other states more than Rajasthan because the you may call it the government because they stand for infrastructure. They haven't supported us the way Gujaratis have been supported in Gujarat. You'll see Rajasthani people blossoming in Assam. They are all over Northeast. They are in Kolkata. They are in MP. So you'll see. So that culture has given its result. It's the time that the ecosystem has to play out its role now. So I don't think the acumen is at a loss here or acumen is missing here. वो तो है हमारे में और ये अभी से नहीं है, पिछले 500 साल से है हममें. Because we have been traders of this route outside India for ages. What needs to be built is again the infrastructure, support and support in terms of policies. कि अगर किसी को इंडस्ट्री सेटअप करनी है, चाहे वो STPI का आप sewage treatment plant से बायोगैस, देयर इज वन आई नो पर्सन हु इज ट्राइंग टू बिल्ड इट, उनको 2.5 साल तक केवल क्लियरेंसेस लाने में लग गए. That shows a lot about how the government is treating this. Is it, as sir said, कि बातें बहुत करते हैं, ground action is very slow. So yes, and obviously it has to go hand in hand with the awareness, with the accelerators in place who are doing their job. But at the end, someone has to, give the green signal to let them build something.
Indeed, hum sab, we are blessed, I would say, that we have people like both of you who are a part of the forerunners now for the state and have taken that charge of sorting it for all of us. Sir, दूसरे पहलू की ओर चलते हैं, which is called stories. Interesting, when we talk about Rajasthan, stories come on its own, whether it is about mythology, heritage, or it is nowadays about gossip stories. थोड़ी सी gossip कर लेते हैं. Let me ask our investor, sir, any gossip story about the startup ecosystem or a startup that you want to do on the camera today?
Or maybe 5 years back, I met a guy in a Let's Venture Pixar named Tushar, and his company name is Vigrip, I think. He was from Jaipur. He is from Jaipur, in fact. He travels a lot. And 5 years back, he had a vision to, refurbish the tire business. Fortunately, I met him yesterday also. And he also one guy जो छोटी सी इन्वेस्टमेंट के लिए भी और अपने पैशन के लिए इतना क्रेजी थे 5 साल पहले भी, और अभी भी मैं मिलता हूँ तो भी, एंड ही स्टिल वेयर्स रिग्रिप टी शर्ट. उनकी टीम के साथ ही ट्रैवल्स अ लॉट, ही पार्टीज अ लॉट, and it's not about the booze parties these days, it's about coffee parties and a game of bowling with your teammates. So I think overall, as a person and as a founder, I feel he's a very good guy in Rajasthan. So, but already I've invested in the company, and yeah, that's it. Thank you. And in fact, one more thing about Regrip. When visited Jaipur, he visited that stall also. So I think that was the day when I said to my father that, see, I have invested in Reliance also. I have invested in Tata Power also, and this is where I think of where he gave answer, where I getting the mileage and where I put our money in that ecosystem. So I think that value for money is there.
जी हाँ, so this is how gossips happen in the ecosystem. This is how the startup ecosystem actually works. हम एक दूसरे को मोटिवेट भी करते हैं, सपोर्ट भी करते हैं और अच्छी बातों के लिए याद भी करते हैं. ऐसे ही करते रहेंगे तो डेफिनेटली एक दिन हम वो स्ट्रॉन्ग इकोसिस्टम बना पाएंगे where all of us really yearn to be. Let me ask Manu about the gossip. Manu sir, I'm sure you must have met a lot of investors. कितने आज तक?
North of 200. I have met every kind of possible investors, and Parud more so, I guess. So yeah.
So that's a general average for every founder, I would say, who's reached to that scale. It's almost 200 plus that he talks about. A good gossip about an investor?
So no offense. No offense to the community, but For a fact, quite a few people in investing industry invest out of FOMO. So I met a founder, crazy founder. I will not name anyone in this story, but I met someone in a mixer in Gurgaon. So I asked him ki, how are things going, and things were up. There are good days, there are bad days. तो लाइक ठीक चल रहा है and ऐसे ऐसे. बट मैंने बोला यार, the kind of stories being running in the circles is good, great, और ये काफी वो चल रहा है. So this guy used to hire a PR for himself, not his company, but for himself. And that PR just used to inject gossips in the market that he has gone to HNI family in Dubai and Qatar and all. He's getting money and is giving an exit to his current angel, और उनको फटाफट exit कराना चाहता है because there is some big order, government order he's getting there and all that. इसमें क्या हुआ कि all the VCs who were the part of that his stable felt that he is not giving this info because वो MIS में तो आता नहीं, it's an intangible info. And उसका second round होने वाला था उस time, so they doubled down. That's it. In the eventual वो, thinking that this piece of information did not flow through him to investor on any official channel or even unofficially as well. But he made it, and his round happened on the valuation he wanted. So sometimes tacit information is much more of relevance than the actual information which is in front of you. So yeah, people do these kind of things.
Yeah, definitely. This is how the ecosystem is always.
Funny, I was thinking कि यार मेरी तो हिम्मत ही ना हो ये सब करने की, but people pull it off.
देखिए राजस्थान की जब हम बात करें तो we know a lot and they have been to the authentic dal bati and now to the authentic luxury weddings also. तो इसलिए we are right there from the page to Zuban and now to the glamour that we are creating all across the world. So I would say ecosystem is not just about one aspect, it is about both of them, as we just heard कि दोनों तरह की चीजें होती हैं, where you have the real people who are enjoying themselves in a room and then there are ones who are enjoying themselves on the camera. तो देखते हैं ये स्टोरी आगे कैसे बढ़ती जाएगी. उससे पहले let us know more, a little bit more about the startup side of it. I'll have a rapid fire and want to know from you what comes to your mind first when I use this word. पहला यूज करते हैं मानो जी आपके लिए MIS.
I think that's a breather which I have to go through every month. So I handle finance in the company. So this is something on my tips, and I don't shy away from it. मैं CEO हूँ तो मेरे लिए it's easy for me to do it every month. My co-founder hates it. डेटा मेरे को कोलेक्ट करके रखना होता है, बट उसको बनाना भी पड़ता है. तो
Sir, MIS.
So I usually stay away from MIS. I see the founder, the business, the impact they are creating. थोड़ा बहुत brief growth journey अभी तक क्या रही है, projections क्या ने, not on a very on any real level nitty-gritty. I don't check it deep down.
ऐसे ही इन्वेस्टर चाहिए हम.
सबको ऐसा ही इन्वेस्टर चाहिए.
So I see projections a lot and थोड़ा बहुत market size वगैरह, but MIS and I think एक चीज जो मैं देखता हूँ, team size and retention of team.
कितने लंबे रह रहे हैं.
That's I think मुझे लगता है कि that is very big.
कल्चर का रिपोर्ट कार्ड है वो.
Culture report. Absolutely. Very sure.
True. Sir, growth.
इनएविटेबल होनी है वो तो.
Inevitable. Growth.
But not at all cost. Yeah, not at all cost. There are some rightful costs, only that, not that.
So from growth, I see consistent growth.
Sustainable.
Sustainable.
GTM, the go-to-market strategy.
Everybody puts it on paper really well, but when they go out, they shit. That's the truth. Nobody knows.
They shit or it becomes shit because the GTM actually was
You can have value for BT में रहती है.
So for DTN, I think I asked the founder about their competitors. And अगर इंडस्ट्री एक्चुअली बहुत बड़ी होती है तो 2-4 लोग बड़े साइज के या एटलीस्ट वेबसाइट इंस्टा पे मिल जाते हैं. सो आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ आई थिंक.
Valuation, the most, I would say overrated and the underrated word in the ecosystem.
It's for the bankers. It's never for the founder. Higher valuation will never help any founder, because while raising, the valuation you get, and while liquidation, the value you get is very different. So people should be extremely cautious about high valuation, because it might not yield you anything at the end of the day. So yeah, the lower the better. The realist, the better.
Swapnil,
For the founder.
Valuation.
I think from the point of investor, I think valuation से ऊपर value. So I think true, that is important.
Okay. And a very important word that we all love to listen is innovation.
Innovation. See, innovation is not always about product. Innovation can be in packaging, innovation can be in distribution. So, quick commerce is a distribution innovation, nothing else. And so it has to be with every aspect of the company.
The disruption, आप तो बहुत frequently सुनते होंगे इस word को.
तो आई थिंक आज के टाइम में मेरे लिए जो डिस्ट्रप्शन है वो सोशल नीड्स के लिए कोई ज़्यादा कर रहा है तो आई थिंक तो मैं वहाँ प्रेफर करूँगा एंड नॉट ओवर दी वो बीच में पीयूष गोयल सर और जेप्टो के लिए उन्होंने जो कमेंट किया था, आई डोंट नो वो डिस्रप्शन था इंडस्ट्री के लिए, व्हाट जेप्टो डे, व्हाट पीयूष गोयल सर से, बट ओवरऑल he is providing empowerment and the jobs which has to be done by someone in the industry or outside the industry. I am not saying it's completely government's job. I'm not saying it's on a for a very very personal level, but yeah. So
It's a distribution disruption. Yeah, you have to agree to that.
yeah, absolutely.
So friends, these were some of the jargons that we have been hearing. हम सब सुनते आ रहे हैं, पर सबके अपना अपना नजरिया है उन्हें देखने का. और इसके साथ में कुछ वो सवाल पूछते हैं जो हम सुनना चाहते हैं. So sectors के बारे में अगर पूछें तो any particular sectors you believe that राजस्थान को ज़्यादा काम करना चाहिए, या आप जिसमें आंखें बंद करके इन्वेस्ट करते हैं?
सो आई थिंक राजस्थान का फ्यूचर लेवल पे और जो प्रोडक्ट बेस है, चाहे वो ब्लू पॉटरी हो या बगरू प्रिट्स सांगने प्रिट्स हो, आई थिंक इट हैज नॉट गॉन टू दैट huge level. So I say there is a lot of scope when we talk about the artisans over here. And yeah, so I think there's a lot of scope in the traditional plus non-traditional way. We have been from starting, storage kind of environment, not the manufacturing, from the manufacturing background. So I see a lot of scope coming down to the service industry and these artisans.
And sir, how about your sector? Let's hear something about your sector.
Just
mine
or
Yes.
which sector?
We will first want to hear about your sector, because that's one sector which everyone is eyeing nowadays, I would say.
See, my sector, why is everybody eyeing, is because the entry barrier is very small. To sell anything, you can start from your kitchen also. So the risk appetite required is very less. Why we started is because Parul had a good background in Cadbury for 15 years. So she knew that the brand language, the tonality, you cannot be everything for everyone. You have to be something for someone to start with. These are the things which are really, really important right now. If you talk about FMCG food market, अगर मैं आपको नॉमेनक्लेचर में बोला हूँ, राजस्थान को 5-10 रुपए का मार्केट बोलते हैं, महाराष्ट्र को 30 से 50 को मार्केट बोलते हैं. देयर इज अ रीजन फॉर दैट. Our snacking, as soon as it goes to 30-40 rupees, it converts to kachori samosa. While if you go to South or Maharashtra also, their snacking is dry, their snacking can be packaged. Murukku हुआ, even Gujarat से चालू हो जाता है वो. So their package industry राइट फ्रॉम योर कोस्टल रीजन, फ्रॉम गुजरात टू कोंकण, आपका क्या ये इनका पूरा ड्राई स्नैकिंग मार्केट है. द काउ बेल्ट और आई वुड से द हिंदी हार्टलैंड, इनका स्नैकिंग फ्रेश है और हॉट है. So it took us some level of understanding to assess this. In which price point will trigger well? What kind of products do have repeated nature? कि भाई we tried with biscuits first, but we felt that biscuits is flirtatious in nature. आज मैं ये खाऊंगा, कल मुझे हाइड एंड सीक चाहिए, परसों मुझे ओरियो चाहिए and all. With breakfast, we have limited options. We repeat breakfast. पोहा, उपमा, चीला, डोसा, पराठा, ये सब. Again, we are not a cold breakfast country. We still don't, our fathers, or even we do not have muesli or cornflakes on a daily basis. हम करते गरम ही breakfast है. So these are the kind of tacit learnings which we also got with time. But yes, Rajasthan is well placed there in terms of food. We do get good supplies from north, which constitutes major of our ingredients. So yeah. So, but yes, India में there is no Indian food. So you have to cater for the mass.
It's clean and clear to say that we are prepared, we are ready, and we just need an ecosystem to stand with us because we have the acumen, we have the patience, we have the courage, we have the systems in place. We have been doing it for years.